Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and travel tips. Discover delicious plant-based cuisine worldwide with HappyCow. This platform, accessible via website and mobile app, links in the description, connects users with vegan, vegetarian, and veg-friendly restaurants, cafes, and even grocery stores in thousands of cities globally. Whether you adhere to a strict vegan lifestyle, enjoy vegetarian meals, or simply crave plant-based options while traveling, HappyCow simplifies the search for suitable dining establishments. Simply input your location and filter results by vegan, vegetarian, or veg-friendly options. Refine your search even further by specifying cuisine type, desired price range, or other dietary needs like gluten-free. Each listing provides a wealth of information, including detailed reviews from fellow users, ratings, photos, and often menu insights. This allows you to make well-informed decisions about where to dine, eliminating the uncertainty often associated with finding plant-based options in unfamiliar locations. HappyCow empowers travelers to confidently explore new culinary landscapes without the frustration of endless searching. The platform thrives on its dedicated community of users, who contribute reviews, save favorite spots, and create personalized travel lists, fostering a collaborative environment for sharing recommendations. This global coverage makes HappyCow an indispensable resource for plant-based travelers, even in regions where veganism isn't widely practiced. While the basic search functionality is free, a premium version of the app unlocks additional features, including invaluable offline access. This is particularly beneficial for travelers in areas with limited or unreliable internet connectivity. One potential drawback to consider is that restaurant menus and details can change, meaning some listings might become outdated. Additionally, while major metropolitan areas typically boast a plethora of listed establishments, options may be more limited in smaller towns. Despite these minor limitations, HappyCow remains an essential tool for any plant-based eater seeking reliable dining options, both at home and while exploring the world. Streamlining meal planning, offering trustworthy recommendations, and enhancing the travel experience for vegans and vegetarians, HappyCow is a must-have resource for anyone serious about discovering great plant-based food while traveling. Explore the platform yourself via the links in the description below.